What? Nice junk.
Yard. It
What's up that?
Yes, Hal. We cannot show it too far, but the junkyard it was being abandoned cars.
But maybe not. Earl and Hal, there's sometimes that we can junkyard. So animation, there is a something is wrong by abandoned cars.
Karen, what are you doing? This car was abandoned by the junkyard. Let's find the to do it well. Is all clear, Karen?
Yes, so animation. Alan. So animation, but we can go there by means Alan.
What? Karen, but you never buy Zeo animation. Is it about to happen in the junkyard?
Alan, Hal, what are you saying? For the information I will talk about you, I don't know what happened. Let's say it's good for you.
I'm so sorry. Zeo animation. We are saying about. On 5.
Ich sag's euch noch einmal.